In this video, I will show you how to turn off notifications on Steam. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come and click onto the Steam icon in the top left hand corner, and from here you want to come and click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side where you're going to find the option for notifications. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, and what you can do is actually customize all the different kinds of notifications. You can see they're all in different sections. So for example, we've got Steam client notifications, and you can choose what kind of notifications turn on or off. You can also choose whether to play the sound or not when you receive a notification. So for example, you can see the top one which says when I unlock an achievement. If you want to turn this off, of course you just need to click onto the switch, or you can customize it to just show the toast but not play the sound. And you can just go through and repeat this for all the different kinds of notifications. Now if you want to disable all notification toasts, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a drop down box here. Give that a click, and as you can see, we've got a option to show notification toasts anytime, or you can choose to never show notification toasts, or just when you're not in game. If you scroll down further, you can see a section for friends notifications, and there's also further notifications when you scroll down further. You can also see a quick summary of what kind of notifications are enabled by scrolling down even further. So that's how to turn off notifications on Steam. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.